Welcome to the Fruit Logistica. My name is Mr. Fruit and I'm promoting fruits for the European Union and the CSO. And we are very welcoming you here in our stand, our fruit stand. And I would like to know, where are you from?
I'm from Syria.
From Syria. Wow, that's very far away. Is it your first time in Fruit Logistica?
Yeah, it's the first time. And now I am a student here in Germany, so I am visiting this kind of exhibitions.
Okay, that's very interesting. Yeah, we are very happy to have you here in our stand. And yeah, we would like to know, what do you think about fruits in general? You eat a lot of fruits?
Yeah, of course. I think fruits is very nice and it's very useful for younger and for the older, and it's very delicious also.
Very delicious, yeah. Is there like special fruits from Syria that we don't have here in Germany that you miss or something like that?
And nowadays, I think fruit all over the world exist in each part of the world.
Okay.
We don't miss anything, and no one miss anything all over the world.
Okay.
You see?
That's very nice. That's a part of the globalization, no? That's one of the positive effects of the globalization. Okay. What's your name?
My name is Ali.
Okay, Ali. Thanks a lot for the interview and have a really great time in Berlin and the Fruit Logistica.